Xin chào, Ni Hao, hello and welcome to my channel with Mom Cooking. Today I will show you how to make sweet rolls. So you will need one and a half cup of milk, and 2 tablespoons yeast, active yeast, 2 tablespoons of sugar, so you can easy to remember. So I put the yeast and active about 5 minutes, so not take too long. And also you have to make the milk warm in the microwave about 30 or 45 seconds, and make sure you I use this one, check the temperature. So if you see the milk about 100 to 110, good. So the yeast will active in one milk. About 5 minutes, see the yeast already active and foamy. Also, you will need 4 cups of flour, 1 cup of sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt, see, and 4 tablespoons of butter, 1 egg, room temperature. Today I will mix the dough in the mixer. So I mix flour, sugar, and sauce in here. I stir and I make a hole. I will put my milk in here. Look, you can see from that's the good yeast. And then you will add 4 tablespoons butter, melt in the microwave. This is really easy recipe, and if you have time, try this recipe. I bake 10 times, success 10 times. Okay. And then you can use this one or you can use this one. After you mix well everything together, you put let the mixer mix about 10 or 15 minutes. If you don't know when the dough is done, you can touch the dough, and if the dough is not stick in your finger, good. And then we can wait for the dough double side about an hour. And now we put in the mixer. We will mix about 5 to 15 minutes until the dough not stick in on your finger. I will use the mixer have the 1 to 10, so I will use number 2. Okay. And see a little bit. I will show you when the dough done. So after 15 minutes, let me check. No stick on my finger, but when I mix the dough a little wet, so I extra 2 ounces of flour. Stick. I will use this bowl to lift the dough in here, but the side of the dough I will put some oil. The side here. Just around the side, so I make sure the dough have some oil. You can leave the dough in here, or you can take the dough in another bowl in another bowl, you can cover the bottom with oil. That's good. Look, my dough look like this. You just check, no stick on your finger. And now I cover with saran wrap. Usually people use a kitchen towel to cover it. Use saran wrap. I don't want the dough dry out. Also, I will put one plate on top of it. That's my idea. That's it. See you an hour until the dough double size. Hey, after an hour for the dough double size, look. So now this dough you can make 15 of sweet roll. I'm going to take it out with some flour. And this, the second one, you wait for the dough rising again about 45 minutes. Also, I forgot to tell you, you have to turn on the oven 350, bake 30 minutes or 30 minutes to 45 minutes. Get a toothpick and check it clear so you can take it out. Let's see. Sticky, we just add the flour. Make your work easy. Let's see. Put this one. Okay. Work one first. The big dough we cut 3 small dough, and then cut this one 5 small dough. I just eyeball, not weigh. Too wet. One, two, three, four, 5. One, two, three, four, 5. If some so big, you can cut a little bit smaller. Okay, or even. So now you just the first sweet roll. This dough really soft. So this one totally I use 4.5 cups of flour. Then that's it. So you wait at the second dough rising about 45 minutes, and you will bake at 350 for 30 minutes or 45 minutes. Get a toothpick and check until clean. So see you a little bit. Hey, after 26 minutes, look at my sweeper. Awesome. Oh, be careful, baby girl. My doggy smell amazing in my house now. So I tell you about 30 minutes, but this is just only 26 minutes. Now I put some butter on top of it. Oh, it smells so good. If you haven't made the sweet roll and you are looking for recipe to make a sweet roll, check out this one. Easy, simple, but take almost 3 hours. A little long, but turn out really good. Look, beauty. So yeah. Oh. Look. Let me take one out and show you. I am so excited. Let's burn myself. Look, so soft. See, oh. Look. You can use this one like make an egg, and then you can eat like breakfast or sandwich, or some hungry eat like snack. Thank you for watching. See you next time.